My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Gucci. This is the ransomware that attacks many popular file types in Windows computers. It may attack pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Typically, this happens because of poor protection of the computer by the existing security software. So this video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does with the files. You have just seen that before the ransomware attack, I was able to open my files without any troubles or complications. However, this Gucci ransomware may be injected into the computer because of poor protection of the computer by the existing security applications. So pretty soon customers realize that they unfortunately cannot use their files anymore. You can clearly see that this Gucci ransomware amends these files and adds a special Gucci extension to the files. It also adds some other data, some unique identifier, and finally this Gucci extension after the main file extension. So when you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Gucci extension added. Some might think that removing the extension manually could fix the issue, but this doesn't work. The files are still encrypted. And this is that scary message mentioned by the ransomware that says all your files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get them restored. Paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be recovered. Well, first thing we do recommend you to accomplish is to carefully check the task manager. Most likely you will find some processes that could be running in the background, such as this process. So right click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get through Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by the ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner antivirus through this official resource, the official website of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is available both for Windows and for Mac computers. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting this Gucci ransomware. After the program has been downloaded and installed, start scanning your system. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. Just wait until the anti-malware database is fully updated. After the anti-malware database of the program has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning and researching and investigating your computer. I want to emphasize your attention on a special feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license, but it can help you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats You will be able to know their exact location on the system. You can now see that this Gucci ransomware is the part of the Phobos ransomware family. So we recommend upgrading to Premium to remove it automatically and get your files always protected in the future.